I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your Western Union card, follow these straightforward steps to get back on track. Step 1. Visit the Western Union website. Go to the official Western Union website or open the mobile app. This is where you'll start the process of unlocking your card. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. Make sure you have the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 3. Navigate to card settings. Once logged in, find the card settings section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your card options. Step 4. Select Unlock Card. Before starting recovery, use the Shark.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm unlocking. After verification, confirm that you want to unlock your card. You should receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. If you encounter a problem like not receiving the verification email, check your spam folder or ensure your email address is correct in your account settings. I hope this guide helps you unlock your card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.